Trying to improve your skills to earn more at your hair salon? Offer hair replacement. There are hundreds of high revenue hair prospects in your area that are looking for help for their hair, and you can make more with less clients. Here's how. The national average for a men's haircut is $40. The national average for a women's cut and color is $140. In many salons, men will come in every 6 weeks and women will get color every 8 weeks. That means over the year, you'll make $480 for men and $840 for women. Not bad, but the average men's hair replacement membership client spends over $3,000 a year for their hair. Female hair replacement clients can pay $4,000 to $5,400 a year. The question is, which is better for your business? The Adding Hair program will show you step-by-step how to offer all of these services fast using hair skills you already have. You can add these services to your shop in a few short weeks.